to play Mary Had a Little Lamb, beginner level 3. In beginner level 2, we played the melody on our right hand. We did something like this. So we did something like that, but in this level, we are not playing the melody on the right hand. That means we're not playing the song on the right hand. We'll be singing the song, or you'll be calling someone else who knows how to sing to help you sing, while you play just the chords on both hands. But on the right hand, you're playing single chord, the root note of the chord, while on the left hand, you're playing the full triad chord in the root position. So you are doing do, re, ha, da, do, so, do, la, do, da, la, da, do, da, so, do. It's that easy. That's how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb as a beginner level 3. Please subscribe for more. And to get the other levels of playing, check the link in the description below.